How to fix local users and groups missing in Windows. Windows Home editions don't include the local users and groups feature. Upgrading to the Pro or a higher edition grants access to this tool and various other advanced features. While the local users and groups might be missing from certain areas, it might still be accessible through the Computer Management tool. Look for local users and groups. If available, it should appear here. Fix 3. Use command prompt. The command prompt can be used to access and manage users, bypassing the need for graphical interfaces. Commands in description. If the disappearance of local users and groups occurred after a particular update or change, reverting to a previous system state might resolve the issue. Pick the time before the problem occurred and click Next. Your computer will reboot.